Next, I'm going to perform tests that require a digital volt ohm meter, often called a DVOM or multimeter. While I'm partial to fluke multimeters, there are some inexpensive alternatives. I purchased a few of these multimeters from Amazon for under $20 each, and so far they've proven to be both durable and accurate. I also purchased replacement leads with banana plugs to use alligator clips and other helpful testing accessories, like these probes from our EFI service kit. This makes it easier to perform three-handed jobs with two hands. Before testing, always zero the multimeter by crossing the probes together and confirming zero voltage or resistance is displayed. Displaying volts or ohms when crossed is an indicator of a problem within the multimeter or leads. When testing with a multimeter, remember to touch only the insulated part of the test probe. Touching the metal itself will provide false readings even through a pair of mechanics gloves.